Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today Cricket is here doing the Who is Most Likely Challenge Family Edition. We're going to start with the first question. Who has the most style? Who's most likely to live at home? Who's most likely to live at home when they're 40? Who's most likely to get married first? Who's most likely to have kids first? Who's most likely to get a tattoo? Who's most likely to put you in a retirement home? Who's the meanest? Who's the most streetwise? Who's the funniest? Who's the favorite? Who's the smartest? Who's the worst driver? Who's the worst at lying? Who's the best at lying? Who's most likely to let you live with them? Who gets on your nerves the most? Who do you think likes you the most?
Dad, you have to answer all.
Who will live the furthest away from home? Who has the best style? Who do you think you did best on? And that concludes the Who's Most Likely Family Challenge. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye y'all.